Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rational numbers worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we are asked to show that each of the following numbers are rational numbers. Now, we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure what to do, if you click on the link on the next slide, that will take you to the lesson and it will give you an explanation how to do each of these examples. In summary, the lesson tells us that a number is a rational number if it can be expressed in the form P over Q, which is a fraction, but P and Q are whole numbers. So if you're given any number and you can represent it in the form P over Q, where P and Q are whole numbers, then that number is a rational number. So, for example, in the first one, we are asked to show that 7 is a rational. Can we write 7 in that form? Can we write 27 and 36 in the form of a fraction that looks like that, where the numerator and the denominator are whole numbers? Here's another one. Now there's a fraction there, but we've also got a whole number here. So how can we transform that number to look like that? This is a decimal, 7.3. We need to change that so it looks like a fraction, where the numerator and the denominator are whole numbers. And the same with those two. Here we have, this is very, very interesting because we have a recurring decimal. See there? I wonder if we can show that that is a rational number. That's contained in the lesson, and so is that example there. This looks a little bit tricky, but an example similar to this is in the lesson, and if you look at that, it will explain how to do it. And the last three are percentages. Can we express those as fractions, where the numerator and the denominator are whole numbers? So this video has given us a worksheet where we've been asked to show that these 12 numbers are rational numbers, and we have to change them, if possible, to a fraction in the form P over Q, where P and Q are whole numbers. And the next slide has a link which will take you to the lesson if you need help, and the lesson will explain how to do all of these examples.